If you are looking for a high-fiber dish, try my tabbouleh recipe. Traditionally, tabbouleh is made with bulgur, tomatoes, cucumbers, and fresh herbs. But today I made it a twist by using whole grains, pomegranate vinegar, and a mix of spices. Instead of bulgur, I'm using black barley, a unique grain that contains 20 grams of fiber, has a nutty flavor, and fantastic color. For the herbs, we are going big. Lots of parsley and mint for that extra hint of freshness. I finally chopped the trimmed parsley, then stacked a few mint leaves, tightly rolled them up, and sliced the roll into super thin ribbons. This adds a unique texture and flavor to the salad. If this type of cutting is too difficult for you, feel free to do it your way. Next up, the veggies. I cut my cucumbers and tomatoes into small cubes. When chopping, try to make the pieces as even as possible. This salad shines when the herbs and veggies come together in a well-structured mix and absorb all surrounding juices. You can use regular tomatoes, cherry tomatoes, or any other sort you like. And here's where the magic happens: the pomegranate. It's sweet and juicy and gives this salad an irresistible texture. I know that cutting pomegranate can be a pain, but I've got a trick to make it super easy. Just follow my hack and those juicy seeds will fall right out. Then I add my cooked black barley. I also love adding the Za'atar spice mix in this with a little sumac for a tangy twist. And the pomegranate molasses adds sweetness and depth. But my secret weapon is pomegranate vinegar, a game changer for whole grains. Drizzle in some good olive oil, mix it all together, and voila! You've got a salad packed with fiber, vitamins, and amazing flavor. Try it out and let me know how you like it. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more tasty recipes. Enjoy!